Welcome to day 5 of learning English. Today we will learn a new question word. Whose. Whose is used to ask who owns something. In simple words, we ask, who does it belong to? For example, whose book is this? It is Sarah's book. Example 2. Whose pencil is this? It is Tom's pencil. Example 3. Whose bag is this? It is my bag. Now it's your turn. Whose toy is this? Comment your answer below. Whose umbrella is this? Think and answer. Now let's do a mini quiz. Whose hat is this? Can you guess? The answer is, it is Ben's hat. Now look at the second picture. Whose ball is this? Can you guess? The answer is, it is Lisa's ball. Great job everyone. Today we learned whose. Keep practicing and I will see you in the next lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe.